Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'll be flying out of BKK airport in Thailand, going to Zurich, Switzerland. Tonight I'll be flying with Thai Airways and the aircraft is 777-300ER. I'll be flying on business class tonight. Did the check-in already. Took literally less than a minute, even though it's a massive terminal and it's pretty busy, but check-in for business class was fairly easy. There isn't anybody over here, and I'm super early for my flight as well, but all in all it was a good experience. So tonight I'll be doing a review for Thai. This will be my first flight with them, so stay tuned to find out. There is a separate check-in and immigration for first class and business class passengers. I was the only one online, so basically, again, it took less than a minute. Thailand is pretty famous for their massage. They even have a massage place on the terminal, quite a few. So I found one in Terminal A, I believe. So I'll take full advantage of it before I get on a long flight. I'll get my blood flowing. arrived here in Zurich. It was a bumpy ride all the way for whatever reason. Some places it was very shaky, high turbulence. So when you get to Zurich airport, he have to go through the security again. Thankfully, there wasn't a long line or anything, but still it took me about 15 minutes to get through that. So now I have an outbound flight to New York on United Airlines, and the aircraft will be 767-400. Stay tuned to see that review as well. I'll leave a link on this video.